Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's early morning over here. As you can see how the weather looks like. And guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos are very special. Right now, I'm just around at home. So the weather is so calm. Rather than my yesterday videos, I was so disappointed because since morning up to evening time it's drizzling. Even I wear the gumboots, heavy clothes, and right now guys I'm heading this way. And probably on today's videos guys I had a private call number on my phone, so somebody else calling me, hello baby, I'm coming to your home, pay a visitor. Guys, for me, no idea on this. Let's see her. And right now I'm heading this way, so probably the call that I received, there have been two of them. So right now, after that, I want to put seats outside there, so when they pull up anytime from anywhere, they just found me around at home having chairs outside there. So right now I'm heading this way. So guys, in case you're watching these videos for the first time, let me know what do you think about. And if you haven't subscribed guys, please subscribe to my channel. And road to success, so soon I want to share with you 7,000 subscribers guys. If it's possible, today I want to hit 7k subscribers. But no competition, no pressure at all. I'm just climbing the ladder step by step, you know. A day like this, I was planning to go outside looking for the content, but when I take my baby outside, I had the call. And anytime from now they wanna call me because I don't know them, you know. But we need more conversation guys with them. So right now I'm heading this way. Me no idea guys at all. Wow. Oh my god. Guys, on these videos, every time you see our cows inside on this beautiful forest, because right now no places where you can maybe graze the cow, so they are chilling here eating some little grass. And then oh look, say hello. Right guys, let's see them guys, let's see them. I don't know whether have been sent or not yet. Let's see them, the intention, you know. People come with so many different intention guys. Other people come with a good intention, other people come with bad intention. Let's see. But for me this is too much. I think guys, from the bottom of my heart, this is too much. Maybe this is the last, but let's see you guys, because I wanna say it's too much. It's the last, but most of the people, even my relative, can pay a visit to my home, even my uncles, my aunt. But this one by a private number is too much. Let's go guys. Today I feel like I could walk with my dog as I keep waiting that people to pull up at my home. Guys, thank you so much by keep supporting me. Right now I have the baby here, and I made the videos guys, you see them just over there. So guys, by watching my videos every day, and at least at the month, I can make the payment of the remaining $800 so to complete, and then the baby belongs to me officially. Okay. So now guys, it's too sunny guys. You can see here the sun is reached at this point, and when you go this way you go to Nyabuhansi, when you go this way you go to Border Town. So guys, let me go and see how things go at my home, and then I'll walk with my dog around because it's been a while since I walked them. Wow. And I remember guys, I have the phone here on my pocket. Anytime they wanna call me and see the call, because I supposed to leave home, but immediately when I'm planning to go outside, I receive a private number. So let's wait them to see. Wow, heading straight. As you can see how the sky looks like, super amazing, you know. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh guys, when I have my baby around, I wanna maneuver through the village, look for the content, because right now my baby is new. Say hello. So today they're basking sun here, and African sun are very, very nice. I'm telling you guys, free of charge. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, you had the call? You had? Hello?
Hello.
Eh.
Tumefika hapa kwa transformer.
Hapo? Na pikipiki? Okay, waambia kuleta huku chini, kuna barabara inapandisha kuja hivi.
Kwa hivyo tujebo straight? Sawa.
Mtaona barabara nyingine inapandisha kuja, mkiteremka mkono wa left.
Mkono wa left? Sawa.
Okay.
Wewe. Ni mapopo na sijajua kwenu bwana. Ni wapi bwana?
Suje na hii barabara ya shortcut.
Hii ya Duvesco?
Oh,
kwa ni close na nipande. Sasa siwangi. Imagine nimewatoa wapo najua. Wako huku road block huku ati wanaenda kwa Kinaro baby. Si wangepitia Duvesco tu sipo.
Haya.
Sawa, kwa nini ingia Duvesco rafu?
Si barabara kuingia shortcut tukienda Sira, na uijui?
Naijua, but sasa tunajua tuko wapi? Tuko hapa kwa hii transformer, hapa kwa hii matangi imekuwa juzi hapa hivi.
Wewe songa mbele sasa.
Alafu so nishuke pale hivi kwenye hiyo junction ya kupanda juu left ndo nipande nayo. Asante dad. Alafu nashuka maliza ile kamlima pale.
Hapo kwenye miti tu, hapo ndo nyumbani. Si utaona choo.
Sasa aje sasa.
Niko barabarani wasubiria sasa.
Okay, yes, good.
Guys, you heard? Me no idea. Let's see them some reaction. You know? Because when people maybe book some appointments, maybe they came from far. Let's see them. So far so good. Let's put the chairs. Probably they'll sit here because I don't have maybe some enough space where they can sit. But right now, before that guys, let's take some chairs so they wanna sit outside here and there. Well guys, this is where I'm going to build my mom's dream house, right here. Okay, it's by God's grace. That's my grandma home, and right here these blocks, you know, quite a number of them. There are 700, and this trip here goes to 53,000 Kenyan shillings. That's almost closer to $450. Wow. Imagine guys, I keep grinding so hard to make sure that my mom's dream comes to reality. My mom's car grazing here. Say hello. Okay, I wanna go this way to greet my great grandma. You know, look, huge transformation. And the good thing about me guys, you heard, there's a private number. Even it was my very first time to have that number on my phone. Let's see. Say hello to my grandmother, and then I go back home to put chairs. There's a car right there. Go. Ekikugamba. Ngakagire. Kama muntu ambiriki hayo. Mbuyore. Guys, that's my grande. Mbuyana raigo. Dosere. Harere. Ante kuikire ndosi. Yake kugendere. Namba kwa sontaranyira amasente.
Usinutaragama.
Na wanyorokire. Ntarutuniki kumahakana.
Kwa kama amuna katukire.
Ntarutuniki. Tani ko muntu ambere kinsa umugeni. Yatacha sirenchera. So guys, I'm taking my grandma. I'm heading this way to see my visit. Wow. Aya kundachi baadaye.
Asante.
Unasemaje? Okay. Let's go guys. Let's go. Ndio mwambie. Kimbiria hapo ndio mwambie. Mkae kwa nyumba.
Afanye.
Mkae kwa nyumba. Mkae kwa nyumba, kimbia haraka. Guys, I see them right now. Guys, no idea on this. Nothing to be high. Hey. Vipi ba?
Mtano was long.
Sasa mnaishigi hapa.
Toka kwa pikipiki. Mungu wangu. Mbona utanipa 500?
Ya nini?
Unajua huyo amekuja mafuta ya lita ngapi huyu?
Si watakulipa.
Vipi ba?
Poa bro.
Uko fit?
Poa kabisa. Pole.
Hello.
Hello. Poa kabisa. Sasa mmepoteza mmepitia hapa tu.
Na sasa mimi nashinda, unajua nimeokotea huko.
Wakitembea na mguu.
Huko wamepotea hata wajua wanaenda wapi.
Na penye wanaishi ni karibu.
Imagine wanaishi hapo.
Amwishi mbali. Hapa.
Sasa tunaenda hivi ndo tujue njia.
Si barabara hiyo.
Tunaona tuve straight of huko. Sasa tujue. Wajua alafu brother Dai tulimuona akatuambia kwamba kwao na kwenu ni hapa na hapa.
Wakina brother gani hapa mbele tu.
Wajua nyinyi mwasema ni mbali bado.
Mbali. Si mbali.
Hapo ukipita hapa shortcut ni karibu.
Ona hapa shortcut. Labda useme hivyo sasa.
Alright guys, me first let me introduce myself. My name is Mapopo. One am peace and love, but
guys, you heard from that, but Mapopo with the boda rider, he was making some jokes, but also he was a content creator, so he was the one who dropped them here. So let me take the chairs, putting outside. Nenda pale juu kwa mama uone kiti ya plastiki na ukamuita ulete moja kimbia. That's my sister. Come you say hello. Sister and my cousin. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Alright, that's my baby right now here guys. So that being said, earlier I was taking my bike outside, and then it's time to leave, but those guys calling me, and then I said, you know what, and come back. Well guys, thank you so much by being supporting me. And right now I have the bike here. Daddy, maybe you to make I can't complain at all. As long as I have this one, I could maneuver around. And the rest of the bike, I'm trying to renovate it and then give somebody else. Wow. Whether my cousin or maybe my relative, I'll give him my next bike so he can able to ride, and maybe per day they can give me $3, $2.50. Oh, let me help you. Okay. Afikita mama umpeleke ndani. Okay. So let's put them here, chairs. So so they wanna come and sit here and relax, talking. This is where I was doing cooking videos. Kimukorin kidding gimbare. Atawara tueni karembari karkoramba vereba. Alright. So I'm sending my cousin one chair so to be here. Maybe it could be the part of interview and funga hapo. Rudisha gate. So funga hapo means close, like close the door, you know. When the hens go there, my dog starts making noise. So that's where maybe I will take some short interview with them. Guys, please, if you're watching these videos from a side, don't charge me. And you had the call, you know, and I probably, let's see their mind thoughts, you know. Wow, when I'm standing here, when I see this project here, I say, God, thank you so much. Keep give my fans longer life, so they can keep watching my videos every day. And in case you're new here, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You know, I understand on this platform you have silent subscriber, also like you have silent subscriber, you have public subscriber, you have private subscriber. You know, there are those people who are watching my videos to the end, they haven't subscribed. There are those people who subscribe and like my video and then go. But all in well, you support me both side. Silent subscriber watching my videos to the end, they haven't subscribed. All in well, I say, God, thank you. So okay. So that's my toilet right there. One day, Karama, can I just say hello? That's my cousin, guys. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Yes. So introduce yourself, because I see you have a channel for the musician. Are you a musician?
Yes, I'm a musician.
By who?
Yes, my name is Nebi Praise Ways Official. Yes.
Repeat again.
My name is. So my name is your boy here, Nebi Praise Ways Official.
Nebi
Praise Ways.
Maybe in letters.
N E B I P R I Z E W A Y Z.
Okay, guys, one of these days I'll share his link on my videos so you can able to support my cousin here. Even me, guys, I haven't knew that he was a musician, and I keep supporting him. So maybe today or tomorrow I'll tag her link or his link on my videos. Watakuja kusubscribe here. Oh guys, we have the birds here. Imagine when he or she have some talented or has a talent, let's keep pushing him or her. Like my cousin here, I realized when the time's gone, you know, but he has a long way to go, you know. Because he will see what I'm doing here. It's all about YouTube, and also God bless him with that talent. He will sing a music. Maybe one day I'll let him to sing on my platform, and then I'll capture his link and then boom, show him some love, guys. And on my previous videos I was cooking here with Felistas. Guys, please support her, because you see on my videos, when my heart keep pushing me to support each other, I will do so. When my heart doesn't like, even you force me from maybe nowhere, I don't like, you know. Like I was cooking here, also the bricks just over here, you know. Recently time I was using the blocks, but I used them. So this one here, we are cooking here. And guys, I remember on that day, it's raining, the rain of cat and dog. But the crazy thing is, we cook here, and then the water is running, going other side, you know. And then at the end of the day, we finish the videos. I see her channel progressing good, you know. I love that energy because I don't want to waste all my energy. Somebody here and there, no changes, no success. But right now, I see some changes, guys. Please go and support her. I'll tag her link on my videos today. Tomorrow, I'll tag my cousin link because also you can support him, you know. And we have birds here. That's blessing, man. That's blessing, you know. A day like this, I didn't expect a normal day like this that we could have the visitors, you know, but it's by God's grace. They're calling me with a private number, but it's my country number. And then I accept. Oh, you know what, hello baby, we are on the way coming to your home to pay a visit. I said, okay, you just welcome, and then we shall see from there. Okay, look at that birds. When I'm sitting here, I see the toilet on the other side, and maybe in the future I'll build my house on the other side. So I need this, my compound, like our small yard, to be look so nice, so nice. Oh guys, okay guys, I'm keep waiting them because right now we have 3 seats here. The blue one, or the sky blue, whichever the case, and this is my seat. It's green. So guys, I'm the huge roar in my family, and in case of watching these videos from my side, my videos, it's all about motivation, you know. I motivate young youths outside there. If Hello Baby can try to make it, why not you guys, you know? Today you can maybe lose, tomorrow you win. Today you win, tomorrow you lose. It's just like, not like, just vice versa, you know. But I never give up, guys, in this world. So I'm keep pushing myself, you know, here and there, to put all my struggle down, you know. Like, I'm not in the part of stress myself. I'm just doing it as I enjoy this life, you know. And for me, I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful, because right now, man, when I'm sitting here, I see the boho right there, I see the toilet. But as soon, guys, I suppose this month, like, I'm supposed to have another idea to create maybe some pillars on top, like carved, to put the tank, water going to the toilet. But I see that it's too expensive, and right now I'm in the process of buying materials, building my mama's dream house here and there. In case I'm talking about the borehole, also just over here. Daddy, yeah, so I need to collect this one, you know. Wow. So we maintain this place to be clean because man, you've been there watching my videos. We use a lot of money to construct or to dig the borehole, all the well, whichever the case. Also, we put materials here. If you're watching my videos every day, guys, nothing to be hide. I'm not lying, I'm not faking life, you know. Okay. Okay, Koran. Come on, Koran, try to open. Okay. Take a very good one. Then you know, guys, during daytime we open the borehole, and during the night time we close it because our compound is not enough secure, you know. And then, guys, I saw in the comment section, I can't remember, it's my last videos, people ask me, hello baby, did you have problem with snakes in your compound? Because they see every bush green, you know. But the moment you make some cleanness in your compound, and snake can't come to your home. And also, when you have, let me tell you one secret, when you have cats at your home, I know most of the people have cat and dog. When you have cat at your home, nothing like snake will come at your home or come at your house, you know. So I'm keep waiting them. So let me give them some enough time. So they wanna introduce themselves, right left center. You know them guys. Okay. Let me sit here guys. Yeah, it's good to help each other, but in good way, you know. Okay, that's the seats right there. Okay.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's your lady Lawino Faith. Yeah, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel guys. As you can see today, I'm the one who is handling the video, you know guys. As you can see, yeah, thank you so much Hello Baby for hosting me in your YouTube channel. I really appreciate, and it's really mean a lot to me. May God bless you guys. If you know that you're watching this video and you come across Lawino Faith, kindly can you come to my YouTube channel? You are welcome to my YouTube channel so that you can, you know, check on me too. You can subscribe, kindly subscribe, watch my videos till the end, comment, let me know what kind of the video do you want me to upload for you, or if you think that, you know, I'm not doing good in something, you can just correct me there. There's also my number on my bio. You can check on me if you want to talk to me. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm really asking if you can give me more video suggestions that you want me to do for you here at Nyabohanse guys. So today I'm with Hello Baby, and guys, we are doing very nice here guys. The video that I've made for you, it's so good guys, and yeah, just come on my YouTube channel and check on me guys. Make sure you subscribe also to our brother Hello Baby guys. Subscribe, watch the videos till the end, and don't skip the ads. Comment there down below, let me know what you want. Okay, let him know what you are thinking about his video guys. And yeah, also, as you also know that Hello Baby is doing some projects here guys. If you know that you want to help him, you feel like helping, supporting him in any way, words, financially, or anything guys, he will really appreciate too guys. It's just a matter of being positive and much love. And if you know that, make sure you come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Team Hello Baby guys. Okay. Can you just rush to Lawino Faith YouTube channel, and I'll also check on you guys, because it's good to, you know, checking on each other. You check on me, I check on you guys. I won't just leave you like that. You comment, I'll also check on your channel and also comment. It's just a matter of positive vibes. Let's support each other, and let's take our brother to more and more, you know, subscribers. Let's target now, because you know the month is almost ending. Can we take our brother to 10K subscribers? We'll really appreciate it, and we can't wait to celebrate that. Okay, guys. So I don't want to talk too much. Let me appreciate you, brother, for hosting me in your channel. And let me also appreciate your family, your community for accepting me too. Much love, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay guys, and right here we have some birds. Say hello. Okay, and guys, right here we have also a visitor.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, hello guys. My good name is Miss Media KE. As you can see, I'm Miss Media KE, all the way from Mombasa to Nyabohanse, and today I'm really honored and grateful to be here on this channel of Hello Baby and meeting him in person. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Tell your family and friends to subscribe, to support Hello Baby, because if you want to say Hello Baby, if you like Hello Baby, you have to support him so that you can be able to see him every day and every day and every day. And as you can see, Hello Baby has a big project. He has done already other projects, but now he wants to build his mom a dream home. And if you want this project to be successful and to not have a stop, you have to watch his video. If you want to go to your job and you have your TV, your laptop, your phones, just leave the video running so that you can support him, and everything will be top notch.
Okay. Okay.
And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Run to my channel, go to Miss Media KE, subscribe, watch my videos, support me, and I'll be really grateful. And a thank to all Nyabohanse YouTubers for welcoming us to this beautiful village. First, guys, if you haven't come to Nyabohanse, I don't know what you're waiting for. This Nyabohanse is really beautiful. First, this place which you are, Nyoni Hello's baby
Nyabohanse.
home.
It's also Nyabohanse.
Yes, I know it's Nyabohanse, but no, this is your home. The view, the nature, you can feel. Guys, you know I'm obsessed with the birds, the voice of the birds, and I think I'll just stay here to feel the nature and the birds. And guys, please support Hello Baby, subscribe to his channel, support him, and let's reach him to 10,000 subscribers.
Okay, guys. So have you heard from them, guys? Subscribe, and also let me know what you think about on today's videos. Lawit, I'm coming for you. Lawino.
Yes.
Also, you have Lawit. What make you to start a YouTube channel? Maybe you left your job to start a YouTube.
Okay, my story is too long, but let me just summarize.
Maybe put on this platform. People sitting outside there watching your stories.
Yeah. Okay, guys. It started back 2021. You know, when I was in college in Mombasa. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I was studying science laboratory technology, and guys, you know, the syllabus was syllabusing.
I know education sometimes
guys,
hectic.
you know, okay, what I expected in that course, I got something else, you know, because I was like science laboratory. I thought that I was going to deal with the lab things, you know, at first, but when I went there, I'd found another thing else. So it just, you know, I felt so bad, like, you know, doing something that I never loved. So the moment I told my dad, and my dad was like, no, it's too late. You can't change anything. Just try your best. You finish, because it was only 2 years. Yeah, guys, I was studying, but, you know, things were just like this. And I was like, what about if I don't perform in my, you know, in my course? What will I do next? So, guys, that moment, I was very loved with, you know, content creation. Okay, with YouTube. I used to watch YouTube so much. And, okay, those who motivated me was, okay, the moment I was watching content creation, that was my first time to know all things that are, let me say, all about content creation, things that are dealing with the content, you know. And I really watched the Ayamara's videos and Dim Mwango's videos very much, so much. And from there, I was like, okay, these people are just from the village. And me too, I'm just from a village. I think I can do this, you know. So from there, I just started having a passion of being a content creator. And first, I also took my opportunity. I took opportunity to, you know, learn more about content creation, because I was like, when I finish my course, and if I don't perform very nice, I think I'll focus on content creation. So as time goes, when it reached August, that is 2021, is when I saw that things are coming so tight. I started to do my content creation. At that moment, I was following Ayamara so much, and he was at Diani in Kwale County.
In Mombasa.
Yeah, Mombasa. So the moment I saw him, and I was very interested to do a collab with him, and I was like, okay, I was watching him, and the moment I texted him on Instagram, he was like, yeah. I was like, are you in Mombasa? And he was like, yeah, I'm in Mombasa. Which part? And he was like, no, I'm in Diani, Kwale County, you know. And I was like, okay, I'll come and do some collaboration. And he was like, okay, I have those chats here. So the moment I was like, I will travel on a weekend so that I will go, so that I can do some content creation. Is the moment when I went there, I never got him. He has already left to, I think, outside country, you know. So I just went to the woman that he did with the content. She was called Mariam Kim, something like that, you know. But we did some videos, you know. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see it. My first video was I started my video at 2021, August. So there where I dropped my video, it was just a village content. So let me say what motivated me was, you know, I was very scared with my course, and I was like, whatever, if I don't perform here, let me go and focus with something else.
Wow.
So from there, my journey of YouTube channel came. So 2 years coming, 2022, when I finished my study, I never performed well because I had a soup in one of the papers. You know, chemistry is not my work. So I was supposed to go and repeat that paper, and I never went back. And I started focusing on my YouTube journey fully on 2022. Yeah. So in 2022 December, I moved back to. I moved to Nairobi because I was like, okay, here in Mombasa things are not working the way I'm seeing. Let me go and try, you know, Nairobi content. Yeah.
You shifted to Nairobi?
I shifted to Nairobi. That was 2022 December. I shifted back to Nairobi. So going there, you know, I was like going to content, you know, there I was being supported with my parents. But remember here, I've finished my studies, you know, I've not the result, but I can't tell my parents that I've failed in one of the exams. I had a one of the papers. And I could
That's chemistry.
Yeah, it's a chemistry paper. So I talked to my class tutor, and he told me that let me pay 20,000 so that I can repeat only that, you know, that paper, while not going to, you know, rather than not going to school, starting studying again for 1 year so that I can do that paper. You know, neck is not necking.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not an easy thing. So when I thought that like that, I was like, no, let me focus on YouTube. When I get money, I'll go back and do that paper, as I have talked to my class tutor at that point. So when I was now in Nairobi, I was focusing now in content. And you know, content need a lot of, it's like a full-time job. You have to have money, blah, blah, blah. You have to buy bundles. Remember, I have rented. The money that, okay, I know you'll be like, how was I surviving? I saved some monies, you know, that I was being sent with my parents. So I used to save much. Because I know that when I go to Nairobi, things will become tough. And I know they won't send me money as usual while I was in Mombasa. So from there, things started coming tough, you know. I felt sick. When the moment I felt sick, you know, and I decided that, okay, after me healing, I went to work with one of the food companies. And from there is when I decided to drop YouTube channel. So that at least I can be able to pay rent. Remember, I was not being paid by YouTube channel till to date. So I decided to focus on that, you know, industry job, and yeah. So now as time goes, I was like, I'll come back to YouTube channel. 2023 passed, I never focused. 2023 passed, I never focused. 2024, I never focused, and I was like, 2025, I'm coming back fully. So yeah, and today here I am.
Okay. Yeah. So far so good. All your life from maybe college, it's about city girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
So far so good. How many subscribers do you have?
Well, so
don't be fear. Even me, I start from 0.
Yeah. So I think when the moment I started, I was having 500 subscribers, but I was having a difficulty in, you know, views and watch hours. The moment I left Mombasa. I added some. I have a 2 account, you know, of YouTube channel, and another one was running good. The main one that I started was not running as the way I expected. But the moment I came to Nairobi, I shifted to Nairobi, things started working the way I wanted, you know, for the second channel. Okay. Yeah, but when I was having the same subscribers, 500. But the second channel, the watch hours was high, more than the watch hours of the first channel.
Okay, you just concentrate for the high watching hour. So
now I'm fully focused on the second channel because it's doing amazing job. That's Lawin of Faith.
Even the rest you can push slow.
Yeah, pole too.
Pole. Kuna matata. And you, maybe you're sitting here, relaxing, warming my seat. Did you left your job?
Yeah, but then I left a very good paying job.
Maybe but you're working in a restaurant?
No, I was working as a cashier in a supermarket.
Okay.
Yeah, at Naivas supermarket.
In Mombasa?
Yeah, in Mombasa. By the way, guys, I'm raised I'm born in Mombasa, raised in Mombasa, worked in Mombasa, but I knew YouTube. I knew YouTube before even I started using a phone when I was still in school. You know, my mom used to travel since I was primary. I knew about YouTube.
Okay.
Now when I reached like something like Form 2, you know, when I went to high school, and the school which I went, most of the people there, they were Nairobians, and you know, Nairobi girls, this. Then I said, because most of the girls which were my friends, like they were talking about like YouTube, Instagram. Then I said, when I finish school, I'll go and start a YouTube channel. But no, you can't just wake up one morning and tell your parent that you're starting a YouTube channel. You know, that time YouTube was not YouTube. Like it's not like now. Not like everybody knows that YouTube pays. When I finished school, I went back home. I was looking away. You know, you have to look away that you can convince a parent, but I could not find. My parents said that I should go to college and study. I refused to go to college. I said I want to work. Now they connected me with Naivas Supermarket. I went there. I worked as a line attendant for some time. Then I became a cashier. Then when I was at Naivas, because my passion was on you.
Alright guys, sorry, the battery went off, so I have another extra battery we need to put and then continue our conversation. Say hello. Hey. Right here have my brother. Hey, what are you eating?
I'm eating something called pilau.
Pilau.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Samuel Muita. Yeah.
Okay guys, maybe sitting outside there watching my videos from aside, that's my brother. Actually, in terms of brother, he was our last born, but we have the main last born, that's our Prince Martha Nyaboni. Okay, you enjoy the food. Yeah, as long as I'm alive, I could support my family as I can, guys, you know. Wow, it's married, you know. These are my batty gates, don't get confused. So you go direct to the point. Wow. Unaweza endelea sasa. Moto huko.
Full charge.
Nakuaga na betri mbili. Okay
guys, as I was saying, then when I was still doing my own things as a cashier in Naivas Supermarket in Bamburi, I was still researching on YouTube, how YouTube pays, what will I do to get monetized, this and this and this, like everything about YouTube, how will I monetize, like everything about YouTube. Then one time, I just went on a leave from job, you know, in a permanent job, you're given 21 days leave. And I'd gone for 7 days, then the longer leave. Then when I went for the leave, I extended the leave because I was not sure, like, should I quit or not? You know, sometimes in this life, you have to take a risk for you to be successful. And that time I was ready to take the risk, but I was not sure about it. Then I extended my leave with 3 days. Then I came, after those 3 days, like the manager called me, some supervisors, I told them, like, I'm not feeling good, but I was feeling good. I'll be coming back. Then one morning, I just woke up, I went to work. Then I reached at work, then I just stood there. I looked at myself, I said, am I the one going to sit on that chair for all those hours? You know, as a cashier, you know, you have...
Like no movement.
Yeah, no movement, you just sit there and sell for people, and you know, you get tired. You know, it's not like the other supermarket, you can stand, sell for people. There you just sit down and sell for people. Then I just look and say, am I ready for this? Then I just went to one of the supervisors and told him, like, I don't feel like I should be here, let me go home. I just went. They thought I'll go and stay maybe for 2 days, then come back, but I went for good. I moved there, it was still morning. I went to Kongoya. People who know Mombasa know Kongoya. I went to Kongoya. I did a shopping for a whole month. After doing shopping, I paid everything, like I sorted myself for a whole month. Then I stayed in the house in my house in Bamburi, like for a whole month, like figuring out, because going back to Naivas was easy for me, and doing what I want also was easy for me. I said that 1 month in my house, I have everything in the house, just cooking, eating, and figuring out what do I want. Because when I'm still young, I just came from high school, then direct to Naivas, so I had not experienced the life outside. Then after that 1 month, then I decided, one morning I just woke up and went to Cyber and told him, can we like help me like create that time I didn't have a laptop, and I didn't like, I knew how to create my own email in my phone, but I wanted to be sure, like, because I've quitted a job, now I have to be sure like this email works, I can upload a video. I went to a Cyber, we created an account, I uploaded a short video. Then I said, boom, this is YouTube channel now. But that time I had cash because I'd saved money. And the good thing that I did is that, and the good thing that I have is that my parents, they always support us, like their children's. They always support what you want. It's not that if they could hear that I've left Naivas to do YouTube, they could get angry. I left Naivas, they didn't know. At that time, they didn't know. I opened a YouTube channel. That time I had money. My first video was at Kikambala. I paid a videographer. I paid an editor. That, like, I used money. By the way, guys, I got monetized within 6 months. And those 6 months, I spent
a lot.
I went to slums. I went to like places that, you know, there's some places in Mombasa you cannot go inside with your phones, cameras and everything. You can't go inside and come back with everything. But me, I thank God for his protection and his blessing, because I was able to go to slums, do videos, go to places where nobody was allowed to do videos, and I did my videos. By the other time, my videos were doing good. They were doing quite well. Then after this vloggings, going to slums, even I've done for, you know, there's some people in Mombasa which they're really suffering. People who just sit down and wait for people to come and choose them so that they can go and wash for them clothes, do clean for their house. You know these people?
Yes.
Yeah, I did for them a story. Even by the way, guys, one day if YouTube pays me well, if you support me, guys,
You'll
I'll
go
go
there.
back. Yeah, because I promised them, but I did because, you know, I was going maybe to a slum and get up. You know, that time I didn't have lots of money. Now if I get a mom or a family that is really struggling, I could move my money, go pay like maize flour, sugar, like only these small things, and go and support them. But these women, I found them, if you go to my channel, you just see them from Mtwapa. I promised them that I'll buy for them bundles of flour. But that time I had that money, but I don't know what happened. I did go back. Some things happened, you know. Every time in this life you get challenges.
Okay.
You get challenges, but one time, if everything goes well, I'll go back there and you know, promise is a promise.
Yeah.
You have to fulfill your promise. So guys, after that one, I opened my YouTube channel. I got monetized within 6 months. Then after those 6 months, I got, like, I met new friends who are doing, you know, celebrity interviews. That's why before I was calling myself Miss International, but I changed to Miss Media KE, because, you know, you can maybe be shocked, like, where did this media came from? My real names are Mary, and this Miss Media KE came because I was doing celebrity interviews. We were going to the airport, maybe if Harmonize is coming to Kenya, or Bien or Malay, you know, this African artist. We were going to the airport. I have even my microphone. If you go to my older videos, you'll see a microphone written Miss International. Like, I was doing these celebrity interviews. I've met lots of celebrities. But my passion was not in interviews. I'm a good interviewer, but my passion was not in interviews. My passion was to travel the world and to explore Kenya. By the way, I do travel a lot. Sometimes I just sit in the house and my man tells me, I go to Watamu, maybe to Malindi. I just go and see the places, learn the culture, but I don't vlog. But this time round, as I've come to Nyabohanse, I'm really focused on vlogging. But then I did my passport. That time I had money to travel. I did my passport. Within 1 week it was out, but I was not able to travel. But I know this time that I've come to Nyabohanse, I know Nyabohanse has a blessings. And I know if I'll be out of Nyabohanse, I'll start my traveling journey. Maybe in East Africa first, then I'll travel all. I'm really passionate about it. And really I'm praying God so that he can show me the way, he can bless me. And I know one day, one time, you'll see me maybe in Malaysia, in Singapore.
So let me take you back. For example, if today I want to make my passport or process, do I get within 1 week?
Me, I got a good, you know, everywhere where I step, like people just love me, and I don't know, I think it's the favor of God. And that day which I went, I was ready to make this passport. My passport expires till 2032. That time it was still 6,000. You know now it's expensive.
Yes, like over 10,000.
Yeah, over 10,000. But that time when I was making mine on 2022, it was 6,000. I reached there in Mombasa Huduma Center. And I found a guy, you know, I found a lot of people there. Everybody is waiting to apply passport. And I found a guy there, and I asked him, I want to apply for my passport. Should I wait for all these people for my time to reach? Then he said yes. Then he just called me aside. And he told me I can help you. Like, people, when he told me people pay a lots of money. But he told me, like, you are like my daughter because he's on older age. He told me he's like my daughter. You're like my, and the way I went to him as a good person, I greeted him. He said, because you're like my daughter, this. Then he helped me. But then the passport came. I went there, I think it was on Friday. The other week on Thursday, already I got a message that my passport is in Mombasa. And he's the one who went and picked for me. And I said, let me send him 3,000 to say thank you.
Yeah.
Because that one is not easy. People pay lots of money. People pay even 50,000 for their passport. If you know this Kenya, if you want your passport even to move today, if you have cash, it will move today, because like right now the government is trying to make the process easier so that it can move more easier. Let's hope so that they'll do what they say, because this is Kenya. But you know the process takes 1 month to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well guys, thank you so much. I'm just a listener. So, at the same time, the time is running. Okay, thank you so much for welcoming back to my home. And feel free.
Yeah,
yes.
We're really grateful to be here and for welcoming us. You know, it's not easy for someone to just welcome you to their home.
Yes.
Yeah, but we really appreciate, and may God bless you. Yeah.
Okay, I want to take you to show you more, guys. Okay guys, let me give them some short tour because I'm leaving right now. So come along.
Yeah.
Because all of these things that I do, it's all about YouTube. I'm not employed by government of Kenya. No, I'm just hustler. I'm hustling.
You're like Ruto, hustling.
Yes, I'm hustling. Yes. So to show you maybe what I'm doing, if you help, maybe try to make it. So why not you?
Yeah,
okay.
Oh wow. Guys, you're not ready.
You are ready?
Hey, you can't enter with another
vase.
Water. You see? Wow.
So this is my mom's bathroom right now here.
Wow. Guys, hey, you're blessed.
Yeah, I'm blessed to my family, guys.
You are blessing.
Yes.
It's really beautiful.
And let me tell you one thing. Since I was constructing this toilet, I said, okay, you know, one day, I'll put tiles on the wall.
Yeah.
And for the haters say, well, baby, no, you think people have money outside here just to go and look for your work? You just paint. And then I said, okay.
They're discouraging you.
I don't focus on haters. I said, when I have a good plan, let me put tiles to avoid maybe painting.
Yeah,
You know?
and it's the best thing that you did.
Yes, and inside here, when for example you bet inside here and also the scam go here, you can come and with this you wipe.
Wow,
That's good.
Your work is to wipe.
Yeah, because you know tiles it keeps dirty.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and also
This
put
is really
down,
beautiful.
put
And
ceiling
it's clean.
board. Yeah,
Who does the cleaning? Your mom?
your mom, because this is my mom's
Oh,
bathroom.
bathroom. It's
Yeah.
really beautiful. Guys, it's really clean even. I can come and sit here and eat.
You can sit.
Wow.
Okay.
That,
And also this is my mom's toilet
wow. Wow.
right here.
It's really beautiful. And clean.
I'm going to copy this.
Yeah, you can copy.
When I'll renovate one day in my parents' house, I think the washroom will be.
Even, you know,
I've never seen this since I was born.
I
You
know so
know,
what I mean.
outer washroom.
it's really beautiful.
It's so good.
Yes, so as
You know, my home it has tiles, but this yours. Our toilet has tiles, but this yours. Hey, it's really beautiful.
I've never seen this. Okay, I've
so after giving you tour, come this way.
not tell us.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Guys, I'm like, yo, you have to tell us about the borehole. You can't skip.
Yes, no jump here. Like, yeah, this is the borehole. So I do it in the month of February and then I finish up.
Oh, this February.
This
Just the other
February,
day.
yes.
Wow.
And it have water. You think it's a joke? Magiam,
Hey, how deep it is?
45
Feet.
yes. But right now you can see water near here.
Wait, then I see blocks to build it.
Yes.
Wow. Me, you know, I have phobia. I can't.
Chunga simu yako. Juu mi kamera ikienda hapo naweza itoa hata kesho.
Wewe.
Juu ni waterproof. Hey.
Oh, by day, yo.
Hey.
By day, it's waterproof.
Lakini ita float hiyo, si ndio?
Hii hata ikisinki kwa maji naweza itoa kesho bado itatumika.
Hata after 1 week.
Si ni waterproof.
Waterproof.
Okay.
Yeah, one day.
One day, one time.
Yes guys, let's go. I'm trying to show what's about YouTube done for me. Mwita akikuja, tuambia kunjo karatasi. Also you have a bike here.
A beautiful
Yes.
So did you import it from US?
No. I buy in
It's really
Kisii.
beautiful. Kisii?
Yes.
You went till to Kisii town
Yeah. And I drive from there up to my village.
with this bike?
Yeah. Even this one I can go with it in Nairobi.
Wow.
But it need a lot of maintenance, exchanging gas. No, oil, I mean.
It's really nice. I feel like jumping on top of it.
Okay.
And I told you to come and pick us.
That's my cousin. Say hello.
I was so mad.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my cousin right there. Yes, washing clothes.
Cool.
Do you know that I was very mad at you?
What?
I told you to come and pick me that new machine.
Sasa mimi nakuaga na kazi nyingi. Kama sasa nataka kuondoka. Because I'm telling them I have a lot of work here and there. So this is my uncle's toilet. And I have been supporting them a lot. You know, in terms of cement,
Yeah.
in terms of maybe sand, balanced. Of which I haven't nilikuwa na hiyo mchanga nilitumia nikamwambia chukueni yote. Yes.
Lakini kwa smart.
Yes.
Ni milango tu ndio imebaki.
Milango. Yes.
Ishakuwa.
Choo ishakuwa.
Ishakuwa.
See, that's toilet
Wow.
right there.
Hey, it's big. Ni mlango na mabati tu bata.
Nimebaki.
Kula mingi.
Yeah, I think this is 3 iron sheets.
2 or 2.5.
3.
3.
Yeah. So maybe when I get money, if somebody watching outside there,
Yeah, and they feel like supporting.
yes.
Guys, you should support this guy to come and put those here.
But my fan are very, very royal. Okay. So these stones right here, for my mom's dream house. Wow. Maybe a day like this,
Yeah.
you think that I bought at once? Yeah. No. It take me 6 good months.
6 months.
Yes.
Buy
Like, yes, every month, maybe 1 tipper, 2 tippers until I reach my target.
Kwani, how much is one tipper?
1 tipper goes to $60. 60.
Oh, 60.
Yes, that's 7,000.
7,000.
Yes, Kenyan shillings.
And how much can you use to No, to build a good house.
A good house?
Yeah. Big one.
The big
Let me say
one?
5 bedrooms.
5 bedroom? Maybe when I have like 1.5 million, you build that one.
So this one is only for the foundation.
Foundation. And then, yeah, I'm supposed to build for my mom 3 to 4 bedroom. I will see. But my target is 3 bedroom. Bigger one, not small.
But just build 4. In
Yeah,
Jesus'
even
name.
I'm praying God that God bless you build 4 bedrooms.
Okay, amen.
Yeah.
I will build.
You will.
Wow.
Build well soon.
So there's a day I brought to my engineer, and then he told me just add only 2 tippers.
So it has remained 2 tippers.
Yes,
here.
I've already have the stones on the ground. So my work is to pay maybe labor money to transport here. Yes. Wow.
And the bricks,
Yes, these blocks.
the blocks.
Yes. The reason why I compare blocks, it reduces labor,
Yeah.
and then the house will run so quick. Within 1 week, my mom's house have already been finished up. Yes.
So this one you made them yourself or you?
No, I bought from Nairobi, all the way from Nairobi. Yes,
Wow.
this one here.
Was it expensive?
Yeah, this one here goes to 53,000 Kenyan shillings. I'm
Only
not
this
lying. Only this one. And I'm supposed to have 2,500.
And how much are you planning to use? Because already this one
Okay.
I think it's 50,000.
So this is 700. When I have 2,000 on the ground, I'll start. Yes.
So you need another two times. Like this one is the first time. Then you need
So yes, 2 times because this one is 700. You know, a road can carry 700.
So you need like 2 lorries again.
2 lorries.
Wow.
So
This.
let me, what about, okay, there's last time, guys, I know if you know you're watching my video, if you know you're watching my video, you can see the moment we went to Gake's home, it was having bricks too, but he said that it was,
Yeah, he
they
will
made it from sand and cement.
Yeah. So let me tell you the difference between this one and the other bricks, which blocks which my brother made. This one here, it can stay here over 2 years. But for yes,
Stay here, just here outside.
yes, over 2 years. But for Gake, only to 3 to 6 months.
You can build again.
Itakuwa imeanza kunani kutoka inaachana hizo nyuzi
Now,
zinapasuka.
what about if you construct with it? It's good also.
It's good maybe immediately. But when it stay there, yes, when it stay there over 1 year, it's bring problem. But this one here,
Strong.
strong.
Yeah, it's strong. Even you can.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yes.
It's amazing. I think this house it should be the best house ever. You know this guy, what I've discovered, you know, with the Hello Baby, he takes his time, but he does the best thing.
Yes.
That's the good thing. You take your time, but you do the best thing.
Yes, and then I take it easy.
Yeah.
Yes, no pressure,
Yeah.
no competition. I'm doing my own pace, you know.
You know, the good thing, you already have a home, so you don't have that pressure like, what will my people...
So guys, it's time to say goodbye. So because I have time to have a lot of things to do here and there. Okay, bye bye.
So guys,
Yes.
Time to go, guys, because also, you know, we have many things to do and time is not on our side. Thank you, Hello Baby, for giving us this opportunity and giving us a good shout out on your YouTube channel. We really appreciate and may God bless you.
Okay.
And guys, if you know that you're watching Hello Baby wherever you are, you know, for now is like, you know, is in a deep sea and you want to get out. Just come out and, you know, help him in any way, guys. Also on our side, guys, you know how we are struggling. You can also reach to us, you know, check on us too, check on our channel, subscribe, you know, share, talk to us, motivate us, and we really appreciate any kind of support. We really appreciate, guys. Yeah.
Wow. So the direction you go this way and then that way up
Left,
to your
right.
hands.
yeah.
The
Yes.
direction is
Maybe
straight,
when you use maybe
right, left, and
yes
reach.
geographical method, you can go straight.
Yeah.
But right now in our village, you go this way. Corner.
Kona.
Yes. Okay. See you later.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Hi. All right, guys. Right here, I have my mama or my African mom or my biological mother. Before I left, whichever the case, mama say hello.
Hello.
You come from Shamba. Yeah, Shamba means land or garden. Mama just works so hard. Mama, why do you stress yourself? Mama just stress hivyo. Uenda kwa shamba kila siku. Guys, To be honest, I'm asking my mama, why do you stress her also okay,
So okay.
Yeah, guys, because she feels so tired and man, even I didn't understand my mama. Why do you stress yourself, mom? Me, I'm telling you, your work is to sit, cook, you eat, you sleep, you enjoy the life. Why do you stress? You know? But all in all, when you decide, you work. Me, no idea. Eh? Yamekuwa ni umbi maramba. Sini mwitatapo sisi tewe menera manji.
Ay na goma.
Enda ta memo mke manchara mohomore. So mte chinga mbichi. Okay, tana shidoni. Ay, enu acha tu. Okay. Ta homoro turagani. Yeah, ma'am. Guys, this is my jacket. It's time to left home. And I'm asking mama, why do you stress yourself, ma'am? Unaji stress, kwenda shamba, working here and there. Yeah, ma'am. Unaji stress.
Money.
Lack of?
Money.
Okay, ma'am. You work. If you decide to work hard in the farm, you work. Me, no idea. As long as me make sure that you eat good, no people complain here and there. Wow, tulikuwa na wageni hapa. Yeah, wageni means visitor, and I never expect mama day like this. Siko natarajia kwa maybe wageni watakuja na siwajui. Ni siku yangu ya kwanza. Rusema hata kungonte hayumuru. So I'm telling mama, I never expect a day like this to have a visitor. They are calling me with a private number. They pick my number from YouTube calling me. And then, you know, mama, watu wengine wanaweza kuja na nia mbaya. Wengine wanakuja na nia nzuri. So I'm telling my mama, other people can call in a private number or in a private way. They come in a bad intention or a good intention, you know. So learning is experience. So mama, me, I'm just learning here and there. So it's time to go, ma'am. So see you later, ma'am. I want to ride my bike in the village. Nirate ufungo mbura. Kama kukitumbe more. Fungo means the key. Imagine, guys, that's my mama. If you don't know her, that's my mom. So it's time to leave, guys. I feel like Njoo nishike camera. Nishike camera is to hold for me a camera. That's my sister. I feel like evil. I feel like I could do I want to ride my bike a little bit as to end my video. Going to Border Town maybe. You know. When I have my bike, I maneuver around to maneuver. And it's a new baby. Or guys, what do you think? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Is my new baby here? You know. And that being said, we make an agreement. I paid at Toroho. Tamambe kunani. Aaron. Tama he gustandi kigoro. Toro ngutume kera ngikara har. Okay. Wow. So guys, as long as I have the bike here, I maneuver around. My work is to put gas, you know. Anyway, let's see, guys. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Wow, I'm waiting the key, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, right now I wear my helmet, so it's time to leave, and I'm heading to Border Town. I feel today I could make short videos riding my bike. So guys, ready to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. I left home, guys, you know, after all it's happened. Let's go. I left my home in good way, going to border town, and then I come back home, you know. Guys, I'm shooting this video on Saturday, a day like this I never expect, you know, but it's happened, so let's go. Up to border town. Today it's supposed to rain, you know, but we need to finish in a good way when it's the weather is good. Probably I don't like maybe the issues like for my yesterday videos, because it's drizzling since morning, you know. So when you compare a day like this, man, I'm ready to go. Wow. Hewa sera kanam. Merasa tu merasa. Iya.
Kwani nkutembea na gangu kunyimi. Kanga futa diri tigangu kunyimi kanga.
Wange futa gasiana.
Yari nisirie korevo.
Iya.
Nisirie.
Iya Jof.
Iya.
Iya Jof. Kali ngumanya hewa sera.
Eke bono biro.
Ngumwacha nuko digori.
Marasta no. Chobuli. Mombasa Moroling. Nairobi. Oh, nafahamu.
Tahika bo umayo ko tahika na window tiga.
Jofri. Banganga. Gara to achere hembo. Jofri. Bana ndo hukuringa. Manatanga atamia. Ada private rumanga nande kiro na boss. Tanga mia. Guys, let's go. I was talking with them, but in good way. Wow. Stagnant right there. We have the shop here. Guys, I'm shooting these videos only 10 to 15 minutes. It will be okay for me, and I end my day like that, you know, because today it's on a weekend. I need to relax early. Wow. We talk. This is our school right here, Achiever School, covered by Mabati. So it help our young kids who doesn't want to walk long distance, guys, you know. Let's go. Wow, look at the sky, guys. We have a church right there under construction. Hey, with a brand new machine. What a blessing, man. What a blessing, what a blessing, what a blessing. Wow. On the other side I see people planting maize. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, there's a dump site there. Look at the back, guys. We have poor roads and we pay tax. We have leader in government. Look, even these dump sites are smelling. No treatments. Imagine, guys. People working in government of Kenya should wake up at this moment, you know. But let's go, guys. Riding of the bicycle right here. Wow, this is a tarmac right now, which connect East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. This one here. That's my Roman Catholic Church right there. Let's see how Border Tunnel is doing. You know? I'm fully outside, heading straight. Wow. Look at that view, super amazing. You can't tell in the comment section. Super amazing. But we are heading straight, you know. We're heading straight. This is the part of Border Town, right here. That is it. There's a Muslim right there. There's a new shed. People fuel the bike, car, vehicle, lorries, whichever the case. Maize corn right here. Wow. Super calm, super Pekan. The day it's almost to end. Look at that tractor, Scania. Whoa. Okay. The Hilux right here. That's a scoop of maize right there. Police station right here, Hispania. Police station. Keep heading, moving straight. I'm in Border Town right now, guys. Heading straight. That's a bank, cooperative and equity. They shut one building. Wow. Upcoming restaurant right there, you know. Let's keep push, keep moving. Be bang, be bang. Wow. Heading straight. Everett's building. You have the tank right there. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, my videos, it's all about 15 minutes and then I'm ending my videos, ending my day. Moving smoothly. Oh, today's a market day. Crazy. Let's go. This Border Town. Business everywhere. Riding on the bicycle, look man. Oh my god. Okay. I wanna take you easy coach. This bus goes to Nairobi direct. Another part of the Border Town. Right here. They're selling plastic, gumboot shoes, bed, everything. Free, pulling off the carts. I'm telling you. Wow. Let's go. On this side is selling clothes, mattress, metallic stuff, metallic box. Woo. Heading home. Muslim Tanzanian bike right here in front of me. my god. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. In case you're new here guys, subscribe to my channel. And road to success guys. I'm road to 7k. Subscribe and then finally 10. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow guys. Bye bye.